Whenever you have a triangle and you notice the triangle has equal strikes like this, it shows that that triangle is an isosceles triangle, means these two sides are equal. And the law of isosceles triangle says when you are faced with an isosceles triangle, the base angles, the angles at the base are equal as well. That is the law of isosceles triangle. But if you have here as two strikes and here as one strike, it's no longer an isosceles triangle. Okay, depending on what this point is. If this point is 3, then this is a scalene triangle where the three sides are not equal, right? But for an isosceles triangle, you're going to have two sides to be equal. While for equilateral triangle, all the three sides are equal. That is for triangle. But like I said, for an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal, which means these two sides are equal. So if here is x, here is also x. Please take note. All right. Now solution. Since this part is exterior angle, there is a law that says for an exterior angle is the sum of the opposite interior angle. So this is an exterior angle. This is the opposite interior angle, which is sum. So exterior angle is equal to the sum of opposite interior angle, which means this is the exterior angle 120 is equals to the sum of these two, that is x plus x. Because since this is an isosceles triangle, the bases are equal. So if here is x, here also will be x, right? So then you have 120 equals to x plus x, you have 2x. All right. Now, since we are looking for x, then we'll have to divide both sides by 2. So divide this by 2, divide this also by 2. This cancel. 2 here is 1, 2 here is 60. Then your x will be equals to 60. So what we are asked to look for, we're asked to find x. So x is 60. Now, if you want to be sure if what you've done is correct, if here is 60, here is 60, this is a straight line, and then part of this straight line you have 120. And the law of straight line angle says the sum of angle on a straight line equals to what? 180, right? So if this is 120, subtract 120 from 180, you are left with 60 degrees. So meaning here also is 60 degrees. And what does the law of triangle says? If you sum all the angles in a triangle, all should be equals to 180. So 60 plus 60 is 120. 120 plus gives you 180. Is that okay? Bye-bye.